Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best KitchenAid Mixer Cover Accessories is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked additions for any home baker who cherishes their stand mixer, transforming a functional appliance into a stylish statement piece while offering crucial protection against dust, splatters, and everyday kitchen grime, ensuring your beloved mixer remains pristine and ready for your next culinary adventure. Number 5. Luxja Dust Cover for 4.5 to 5 Quart Stand Mixers. Keep your stand mixer safe from dust and spills with this high-quality protective cover. It's made from durable, water-resistant fabric and is even machine washable for easy care. This cover features 3 handy pockets, perfect for storing extra attachments, recipe books, or other small kitchen accessories. Everything you need stays organized and within reach. Designed to fit most 4.5 and 5 quart stand mixers, this cover offers a snug and secure fit. Please check the dimensions to ensure it's the right size for your appliance. Measuring 14 inches long, 9 inches wide, and 14 inches high, it provides ample space to keep your mixer completely dust-free when not in use. With its fine workmanship and neat stitches, this cover is built to last. It's an excellent choice for anyone wanting to keep their kitchen appliance pristine and protected. What we like? This cover is made from durable, water-resistant nylon and is machine washable, making it easy to maintain. It also features 3 pockets for storing extra attachments or recipe books. If you're looking for a practical and easy-to-clean cover to protect your mixer from dust and keep accessories organized, this is a great choice. What people say. This product appeared to be made well. I like the inside material, like a shiny, slick fabric, and was very happy to find that it had usable pockets. 2 on each side and a larger one along the back. Perfect size for the KitchenAid stand mixer. Keeps it dust-free and easy to put on and take off. Has pockets for accessories. Durable, lightweight, and easy to wipe off. The side pockets are nice and deep, so you can store utensils, recipes, or small cookbooks on the sides of the mixer. Great for keeping the mixer dust-free when not in use, additional storage, as well as adding a nice aesthetic appearance to your countertop. Number 4. KitchenAid 4.5-5 Cutie Tilt Head Pouring Shield. Tired of messy spills and inefficient mixing? Our upgraded pouring shield is designed to keep all your ingredients perfectly contained within the bowl. It ensures your mixing is more efficient and thorough, preventing splashes and spills, especially with lighter ingredients like flour. Featuring an upgraded dump hood with a quick lock, installation and removal are a breeze. This design reduces mess and saves you valuable time in the kitchen. Crafted from food-grade PC plastic, this shield is both safe and durable. It's heat-resistant, offering you a convenient and worry-free cooking experience. Easily add ingredients to your stainless steel mixing bowl with our large, angled ingredient slide. This feature helps you add everything you need without wasting any raw materials. Designed specifically for KitchenAid 4.5-5 Cutie Tilt Head Stand Mixers with stainless steel bowls. Its fully enclosed design prevents splashes and overflows during operation. This accessory is perfectly sized for easy installation and removal when your mixer is stopped. It even conveniently converts into a sealed storage container. What we like? This pouring shield is designed to minimize splashes and spills during mixing, thanks to its upgraded full wraparound design and quick lock feature. Made from food-grade PC plastic, it's safe and durable. If you frequently mix ingredients like flour and want to keep your kitchen clean and mixing more efficient, this shield is ideal. What people say. This pouring shield fits my KitchenAid Tilt Head 4.5 Cutie mixer perfectly and works exactly as described. The stainless steel feels sturdy and high quality, not flimsy like some plastic ones. It snaps on easily and stays in place while mixing, which really helps prevent splashes and messes. This works perfectly and helps to prevent the mess of ingredients splashing out when running the mixer. Saved me a lot of cleanup and easy to wash the shield. This one feels more sturdy than the one I had years ago, and fits my mixer just fine. I have a 4.5 stainless steel bowl and it fits perfectly. The pouring aspect works great. No more flour on the counter. Number 3. BAGSPRITE Stand Mixer Cover for KitchenAid. Add a rustic farmhouse touch to your kitchen with this timeless buffalo check design. It helps keep your countertop neat and organized. Crafted from high-quality cotton, it's soft to the touch. This cover effectively protects your stand mixer from dust, scratches, and pet hair. Designed to fit all tilt head and bowl lift stand mixers. It's compatible with KitchenAid models ranging from 4.5 to 8 quarts. Features a spacious front zipper pocket for convenient storage. Side mesh pockets keep your mixer accessories organized and within reach. Elevate your kitchen with this stylish and practical cover. It offers premium protection and smart storage solutions for your appliance. What we like? Add a touch of rustic farmhouse charm to your kitchen with this cover, crafted from premium quality cotton. It's designed to fit a wide range of tilt head and bowl lift models. If you love the farmhouse aesthetic and need a stylish yet protective cover for your mixer, this one will beautifully complement your kitchen decor. What people say. Fabric has cushioning, it's cleanable and has pockets. There's a zip pocket that can fit yeast packets, and another mesh panel can also hold mixing spoons or other mixer attachments and salt seasoning items. Very handy with all of the storage pockets. Looks great with a black and white buffalo plaid decor. It has storage compartments and rich color design, looks good with my farmhouse kitchen. Number 2. KitchenAid KSMCT1ER Fitted Stand Mixer Cover. Keep your KitchenAid stand mixer safe and sound. This cover is designed to protect your valuable appliance from dust and everyday wear. Engineered and tested by the experts at KitchenAid, you can trust its quality. It's made to fit your tilt-head stand mixer perfectly. Enjoy a tailor-fitted design that complements your mixer's look. The heavyweight quilted construction adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. A convenient front pocket is included for easy storage of accessories. Keep your essentials close at hand. Crafted from 100% cotton, this cover is built to last. It offers durable protection for your stand mixer for years to come. Available in a sophisticated Empire Red, it adds a pop of color to your countertop. This cover is a stylish and practical addition. What we like? This cover is officially designed, engineered, and tested by KitchenAid, ensuring a perfect, tailor-fitted look for your tilt-head stand mixer. Its heavyweight quilted construction offers superior protection. If you prioritize a perfect fit and brand name quality for your KitchenAid mixer, this cover is the ultimate choice. What people say. It's so well made, and the fit is made better with a back zipper. Looks great, no lumps or bumps of extra material. It has a substantial material and fits beautifully. My mixer will remain clean and the bowl will be kept clean. It also looks lovely in my kitchen. Fits perfectly over mixer with glass bowl, and nicely keeps mixer clean. My cat ensures the battle with fur is never over, and this ensures I can just start working without having to clean beforehand. Number 1. First 4 Spares Pouring Shield for KitchenAid Mixers. Tired of messy ingredients? Introducing the First 4 Spares Pouring Shield, designed to keep your kitchen clean. This shield is specifically designed for KitchenAid 4.5 and 5 quart polished or brushed stainless steel tilt-head stand mixer bowls. It ensures a snug and secure fit. Easily add ingredients while your mixer is running. It's the perfect accessory to streamline your baking process and prevent spills. It is compatible with specific models like K4SS, KSM450, KSM455, KSM500, K5, K5SS, KP50PS, KSM5, KSM50HDP, KG25H0X, KG25H3X, and KG25H7X. Please check your model number before purchasing. Please note, this pouring shield is not compatible with hammered or quilted textured stainless steel bowls, glass bowls, or ceramic bowls. It is exclusively for the specified stainless steel bowls. This product is the same as KN1PS, offering the same reliable quality and design you expect. Upgrade your mixing experience today. What we like? This pouring shield is specifically designed for KitchenAid 4.5 and 5 quart polished or brushed stainless steel tilt-head stand mixer bowls. It effectively prevents splashes and is easy to attach and remove. If you have a compatible stainless steel bowl and are tired of messy mixing, this shield offers a targeted solution. What people say. It fits perfectly. I just used it to mix up some pudding. There was no interference with my scraper blade, and it sat nicely on the edge of my mixing bowl. This makes pouring in flour a dream. It is super easy to attach and easy to clean. Pouring ingredients into the large spout area allows you to add things like flour and sugar without dusting the entire counter with blowback. Great for containing splashes and messes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.